On October 23, 2025 in Naperville, Illinois, a couple from Chicago pulls into a gas station parking lot. An argument about a phone, about paragraphs, about who's texting who, and an officer already sitting in that lot watching. What happens next turns on a single moment, a backhand in plain sight in front of a badge. Because when a police officer directly witnesses an act of physical violence...
How do you spell your first name? Alright, we'll wait a second here, but... Did you guys just pull up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Literally, we was just arguing.
Okay.
That's my baby mother.
I got you.
I'll 12, I can go for 4 Adam.
What's the issue with you guys?
Relationship, you know, cheating.
No,
I
shit
ain't
like
gonna,
that.
you know exactly what it was.
Right.
I ain't gonna lie to you.
All
Cheating
Alright, here
on my phone.
I got you. Yeah, just come on back here real quick. Do you have anything, anybody? Alright, I'm just gonna pat you down, okay? Listen, I know that I was just sitting here. I know you're not trying to have us be involved in whatever that was, but I can't ignore what I saw, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
What were you guys all arguing about?
Nothing major.
He just said something about cheating.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, regardless.
Supposedly, right?
Okay.
But it's not that serious. I just want to go ahead and buy my baby a coat.
Okay. Where are you guys from?
Chicago.
Okay. And this is your boyfriend, or?
It's her dad.
Okay. Just that. All right. Obviously, I know it's separate. It's going to be a separate issue. But your car also smelled like weed. Is there a large amount in there?
Try to do something
You got a car seat?
Baby, though.
Okay. You got a car seat for the baby in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just show me that you don't have anything in your Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm fine, I swear.
Does it look like that hurt?
No.
I know it didn't tickle. I know it didn't feel good.
It's okay.
Call 12, call 12.
Go in the store and get her a coat. I'm just trying to go.
I understand that. You guys had like a history of just not getting along?
Never.
Here, come on over here real quick. You're going to be free to go in a minute. Just come on over here.
Yeah, we don't argue or nothing. He just swear I just did something in my phone. That's all.
Okay, but still, regardless, nobody deserves that. So come on over here real quick, just by the car.
So what's going on? What happened?
Arguing with my baby mama.
Oh man, I got those problems too. Yeah.
This is what I don't want to do that. But the main thing was, right, she going in my phone, like I'm going our way to ditch, right?
Yeah.
She looking at my phone. You texting somebody paragraphs, thinking this is
Yeah.
it's
Okay.
my homie.
Yeah.
So, you know, me, there's something say, when you steady doing this and I'm not wrong, you gotta be doing something.
Right.
Guess what? Her phone on the radio.
Right.
So I'm like, okay, you pull up, okay, well, let me see your phone. Open your phone.
Right.
Guess what she do? Jump over
Yep. No,
this
I'm not.
look.
Yep.
I promise you, know how I ain't her phone open.
Yeah.
So it's like, all right, let me see. I never go on, never care. You know,
Right.
we don't even.
Right.
Let me see your phone real quick. Guess what? Jumping over the
Yep.
steering wheel.
You ain't
doing?
seen it. Yeah.
Ain't seeing
Right.
nothing.
Right.
This get the phone. Hurry up. We have been able to don't do it. Run up and get sword and get with
Right.
the phone. Go in the bathroom. Now she's coming out. I was gonna give you the phone.
Right.
And I tell you, I'm walking behind her like, come here, let me see your phone. She runs to the bathroom.
Yeah.
I just turn around and come back out like,
Yeah.
whatever.
We'll figure it out,
I get in
yeah.
the car. She coming down there. I'm like, so what you just delete something in your phone? That's when he was pulling.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
Then
saying?
seeing the
But-
argument. Yeah.
And that's simple.
Man, I got that.
What it was, and that's my baby mama. So you know that.
It gets
we
heated.
loud.
Yeah.
It got
Yeah.
heated. For sure it got heated. So I ain't gonna lie about that, but that's exactly what it was.
Go ahead.
And I get tired of my folks just, it'd be like, bro, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But it's like, bro, if you're not having a bad, don't it up.
Right.
Let be what it's gonna be, bro. Don't do the most about it just to.
We all got those. And then we all got those problems. Let me tell you, we all got them problems.
But it's tiring though, like, but that's the case right there.
Okay. Nothing wild, nothing crazy. Give me 2 minutes. Let me see.
I'll be waiting to talk to you. Is somebody else coming?
No, why? You will
No, I'm just going to search the car real quick. You want to hit that button?
Got you the car for it.
Yeah, because of the weed. Because he was in it and there was the weed, so we're not trying to just unlock the car real quick. I do a quick search. Do you have your do you have a CCL? They said the register owner has a CCL. I'm just asking.
Yeah, I'm considered carry.
Okay, do you have it in the car?
No.
Okay, that's fine. Appreciate it. All right, yeah, and then you could just step back real quick and then. Can you do me a favor real quick? I just need to talk to him, but I can't have you go yet. Is that tears because of the wind, or tears because you're upset?
I'm ready to go.
I know. I'm really sorry. Here, can you just please pop it? Because I want to keep the baby warm. Can you just have a seat now? I'll close the other door real quick.
Probably the one thing that probably helped me do it was figure out how to get to it.
So she's cheating on you, or you cheating on her? Is that the argument?
It's the phone. It's going over the phone.
What the argument is, she said I'm texting somebody in my phone paragraphs.
Yeah.
Paragraphs. You say you're texting paragraphs in my phone. I'm like, I ain't texting no girl, so what do it matter? So you is texting. I showed I don't even do this.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm gonna show you because I'm right this time.
Right.
Yeah. What you got to say? You deleted it. Okay, so that's what I never go through her phone in life. I don't even do stuff like this. But when we put her phone on the radio, so I'm like, okay, let's go to your phone. I grab her phone. She jumped over the car to get the phone. I'm like, nah, she never done it like this.
You 208?
I never done it either. So now I'm like, oh, damn, you jumping. That let me know everything I need to know when we get out the car. We have to get the baby and run up. And I'm like, well, this open? Once you run up in the bathroom, I guess do whatever and come back out. Like, yeah.
She said that you guys, are you boyfriend, girlfriend, or are you? Okay, that's it. That's just the relationship.
We in a relationship.
Okay, because she wouldn't be jealous if it was just being normal.
Weird.
All right. No, I'm just curious.
That's not necessarily true.
Well,
That's not necessarily true.
Yeah. Well, for real.
I'm just wondering why you had a backhander, though.
Here's the phrase that decides this entire arrest, obligated by state law. She's saying she wasn't hit. He's saying he didn't do it, and it doesn't matter. Under Illinois law, when an officer personally witnesses probable cause for domestic battery, arrest is not optional. It is mandatory. The officer has no discretion. He cannot take a report and leave. He cannot wait for a victim to cooperate.
I didn't.
I saw you, man.
No, I didn't.
I saw you backhand.
I didn't.
Yes.
I didn't backhand her. Actually, I didn't. She was coming to the car. I didn't just backhand her.
Casual. I saw you. It was right here, man. It was right in front of the store.
Oh, I didn't backhand her.
I'm just saying, why did it have to result in that? Whatever y'all are arguing about.
If that's the case, I wouldn't say she hit me. I wouldn't even say she hit me. I wouldn't even say she hit me. And there's no reason that we don't even play like that. We don't even play like that. Dead ass. There's not even no reason to even play with her like that.
Call 1, Robert 27 is
She's not going to play like that. She's not going to say I played with her like that. Dead ass.
Unfortunately, I'm like,
1428 Heatherton Drive.
I'm obligated.
Our caller's the neighbor. They noticed that the back door lock is broken. The people that used to live here vacated.
Right. I got
But
it.
sometimes they come back to check mail.
But I want to tell you the whole situation as a whole before you think that, you're in the wrong. No, I don't want you to think that far. So whatever situation, however you resolved it, or whatever you resorted to, that's your decision.
Okay. You mind just chatting with him for a minute?
2739.
All right, casual. I gotta put you in handcuffs, okay? I can't ignore what I saw, okay?
So what I'm doing, what's the charge?
Just domestic battery. Whatever you need.
Domestic battery?
Yeah.
Because he saw it and because it's in the public view, right? You got it. He's got to do it. She cannot. If she doesn't want to go forward with it, she doesn't want to go forward. So we'll talk to you in 2 seconds. We'll talk to you in 2 seconds.
Why he get handcuffed?
Well, because
Why can't he just bond outright now? That question has a very specific legal answer. Illinois statute requires that someone arrested for domestic battery appear before a judge before any bond can be set, no field release, no cash and go. At minimum, 1 night in DuPage County. The legislature built that delay in deliberately to put distance between the arrest and the moment a victim is asked to recant. What feels from the outside?
This officer was in the parking lot, and he witnessed what he witnessed. Right? We cannot just walk away. Like that's that.
He didn't do anything.
But the officer saw it. So that's part of the problem, right? If we came here and like it was like he maybe did it, he maybe didn't do it.
I'm
like
telling you, he did it. I don't know what he saw. He didn't do nothing. So
that's the problem. He saw it. We are obligated by state law to do it. Okay, so he's going to be going to Naperville Police Department. He'll be getting booked for obviously domestic battery. 1 count, not 2 counts or anything like that. If you don't want to cooperate, you don't have to cooperate. That's something later down the road. But he saw what he saw, and we have to do it. All right. He's probably going to have a no contact order with you for 72 hours. That's a 72-hour stay away. That's just what
is that for?
That's the court does it. So it's to protect victims of domestic battery. I'm not saying that that's exactly what this is and all that. And you need all that. That's just what the court does to do that. Just so it is what it is, right? If you violate it, if he violates it, and that's on you guys, you to figure out or you to pursue. And obviously, you don't have to pursue any of this if you don't want to. That's later on down the road, okay?
I'm not trying to pursue nothing.
I know.
Why he getting cuffed
That's
to jail.
because we're hands are tied with domestic battery because this is strictly by state statute to protect victims of domestic battery.
I'm not a victim of domestic battery.
I know, but we're going on based on what the officer saw because he's sitting in the parking lot. He heard you guys yelling and heard you guys.
That's all he was doing was yelling. He didn't hit me. He didn't do nothing. I was literally walking in the store.
I did. I'm sorry, man.
And that's because obviously it's to protect victims of domestic battery. That's in your car if you can. It's our hands are tied on it. We can't do anything about it. He saw what he saw.
Where he going?
He's going to Naperville. Do they still get transported to county?
Yes.
So he's going to be transported to DuPage County. First appear in court.
I just got to get his phone or whatever else, or his wallet or whatever he left. No, he said that's his phone. I just need to give him his phone.
Okay. I mean, you can go. I would go in and get it because she's not going to give it up if it's about.
That's all. Yeah, I'm going to just swing this door open and then I'm going to do the search, okay?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Yeah, I'll just throw this on this side. Okay. And then just the sunglasses in this pocket?
Yes.
All right. Nothing else that's going to stick or poke me?
No.
All right. I need you to just face the squad. I'll get you in and out, all right? No. I'll grab that.
I'm asking you, if you give my phone and inventory to me, don't I leave with my phone?
Yeah, we got to do it from the car.
Oh, give him my phone then, baby.
And then you got a wallet?
Nothing
else?
No wallet. I'm sorry.
Yeah. I understand. Hey, casual, is it cool if I remove the hood real quick? I just want you to turn in while I do that.
I don't even see the time. You know, that's my baby mom.
Yeah, I feel you.
I'm like, why you got a time zone?
All right. We're good to take a seat in there. Yeah, just go ahead and take a seat. Yeah, I'm moving.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is coming.
Now, Fortune.
Yeah.
I guess, all right, now. You say I got to stay a night in jail?
Yeah, you got to go to DuPage County just because it's domestic. Like I explained to her, whatever happens after this, happens after this. But unfortunately, our hands are tied behind our back with state statutes. It's a victim thing. So it's to protect victims of domestic violence. Obviously, that's not what we're talking about here, obviously. But it's for that. Well, it's he saw what he saw, and that's the problem. All right? So it sucks. But he saw what he saw.
I don't want it to get weird, though.
It's not going to.
Okay,
yeah.
I just want it to be with y'all. So
that's all. That's it. That's not. It's nope. It's not. That's not going to be any of it.
Okay.
Are these yours? These are his. All right. All right, my man. I'll take you. They'll drop you. They'll take you to the jail. All right, my man.
Why do he have to stay with y'all?
I will give you.
Thank you. Sorry, say that one more time.
Why do he have to stay at night? Why can't he go get bonded out? There's not a domestic, there's nothing going on. There's nothing going on. I don't know what he saw. Nothing. I'm walking in the damn store. All we doing was yelling. He didn't touch me, bro. Why the is he going to jail? Why is he going to jail?
Because that's not what the officer saw. All right.
He didn't see nothing. He didn't see shit. He didn't see nothing.
Right. So it's going to be your word versus his, and that's all it's going to be.
My word matter. It's me that we talking about.
Correct.
So why is he going to jail? I'm telling you this.
Because the victim the victim rights laws of the state of Illinois ties our hands because of victims and obviously the not stigma but the aftermath of what victims go through, right? And we're not saying that you're a victim or this didn't happen. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying there's certain laws in effect that we do not have any discretion on, and this is one of them. All right, so if the officer claims that he saw that he hit you, then that's what we have to go by. We don't have to go. We can't go by just I'm not going to do nothing, because that's not how it works. All right, so he's going to spend the night in DuPage County. He'll get his bond tomorrow morning, and everything will be he'll be released tomorrow. He ain't going to stay any longer than that, and it is what it is. I know I know it sucks, and it's 100% unfortunate, but our hands are tied in this, and that's what we're going on. Well, because they won't let us bond them. They make it for domestic, and it's really only domestics at this point, that they make them stay in jail. That's just one night in jail. That's basically what happens. That's by statute. Did you want me to throw that away, or you want to take? I'll throw it away. All right. All right, so somebody will follow up with you, probably from our social services unit. You can tell them that you don't want to do anything about it, and we'll go from there. All right?
Okay, my friend.
141 status check.
Unbuckle you real quick. I'm gonna do it. I can't get you out of here in no time, all right? I know that you gotta be here for a night.
Yeah.
But
Sucks, but I did it to myself. That's why I can't complain.
alright, we're just gonna walk all the way over here to your right. And then when you get in there, just face the left wall, alright?
And a 28.
Alright, just face this wall.
Here, go ahead, and I did right in the intersection.
Step over here a little bit more.
Alright.
Gonna do one more search, okay? Nothing to go and stick with propane?
Okay.
Alright. Alright, you can put it here, I'll take the boots. Have you walk through this door, okay? Just follow him.
You can have a seat right here, please, and if you need to use the restroom or get breakfast home, please.
What?
Go get his property.